I'm so glad you're here and that you found my channel. I'm an assemblage artist and I like to work with recycled bits and pieces. Here you can see the simple steps I take to go from odds and ends to a finished project. Even though I often use similar steps to get to the final result, the outcome is very different, as you can see here in the lineup. I created all these pieces last year and I continue to post new ones. So please check out my channel. I hope to see you here soon again.